Happy Friday, everyone. Now that the new year is here, it's time to shake off that hangover with a coffee cocktail with a Polynesian twist. This is Mr. Bali Hai. The Mr. Bali Hai has a unique origin story that goes back to the mid-1950s. Whereas the last few recipes that we've done have either come from Trader Vic's or Don the Beachcombers, the Mr. Bali Hai comes from the restaurant of the same name on Shelter Island down in San Diego, California. Not long after its opening, the Mr. Bali Hai became the signature drink of the Polynesian-themed restaurant, served in a custom headhunter mug modeled after the giant wood-carved statue at the restaurant's entrance. The Bali Hai is still there today and remains an important piece of Tiki culture history as one of the largest and oldest Tiki temples in the whole world. And while their most famous drink is now the ridiculous no-juice Mai Tai, the Mr. Bali Hai remains on the menu as a house signature drink. So let's get to the recipe. Now, the Mr. Bali Hai recipe has actually changed many times over the years at the restaurant. Even the one that you get there if you go today is yet another evolution of the classic. But today we're just going to look at the most widely accepted version of the recipe, which dates around the 1970s. And that recipe is 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce sugar syrup, 3/4 ounce coffee-flavored brandy, 1 ounce light rum, and 1.5 ounces dark Jamaican rum. All right, let's get started. That's 1.5 ounce pineapple juice, 1 ounce lemon juice, 1/2 ounce sugar syrup, 3/4 ounces coffee-flavored brandy. So in this case, we're going to use Kahlua. You could also use Tia Maria. 1 ounce light rum. Now for the light rum, normally I would recommend Durlee's, or I would be using a light Bacardi, but this week we're going to experiment a bit. I'm using 3 Sheets Cutwater rum. 1.5 ounce dark Jamaican rum. In this case, I'm using Lost Spirits dark Jamaican rum. And that ought to do it. Now I'm just going to put some ice cubes in as we shake the drink. This chills the drink as we shake it. Also just sounds cool. All right. Grab your tiki mug. I filled it with crushed ice. Now this helps bring out the aroma a little bit better. Also you can sit garnishes on it really well. Just strain that in. Beautiful. Now we're going to garnish, in this case, with a mint sprig. You can also use a pineapple wedge. I'm smacking the mint like this just to kind of wake up the flavor a little bit. Gives it a nice aromatic effect. Just sit that on there. And there you go. Mr. Bali Hai. A great mid-century coffee-based Polynesian drink that has a surprising amount of flavor for how simple the recipe is. That's all for this week. Cheers. Going to show you how you really experiment with a new spirit. Hi, I'm David BadgerCo for 3 Sheets Cutwater Rum. Please sponsor this video.